Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can block adult websites on your Android device. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments after watching the video. And let me and you get down to our topic. So, if you want to protect yourself or your children from some sites or adult content, then you're going to have to go to your phone setting. So, first of all, you open Chrome, and then you make sure you're logged into your Google account. After that, you click on the three dots and then Settings. Here, in Settings, you scroll down a little bit to find Privacy Security. And here you also have to scroll down a lot to find the use of Secure DNS. Then you get a window like this or a page like this, where you will most likely have the first option set by default. You'll need to activate it first. And as you can see, the first option is set by default. But then you have to select a different provider. And then you click on this little arrow next to the word Custom. And then you have to select Family Filter. And that's basically it. After that, you will not have adult content and such adult sites will not slip in somewhere while you are using Google. This is the way, friends, you can keep yourself and your kids safe and block adult sites on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and see you soon, friends.